Okay, so we again continue with our exercise 7.3, and as usual I always discuss the formula which I am going to use in solving of the question. So I am going to use the formula in this question of sine of 3a. We know that sine of 3a is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube of a. This minus 4 sine cube of a, if I bring it from right hand side to the left, that is I wrote it over here. So minus 4 came to the left and it became plus 4 sine cube a, and this plus sine 3a, I bring it to the right side, so it becomes minus sine of 3a. Now I divide every term by 4. So this 4 gets cancelled and I have sine cube of a, and then I divide this by 4, so 3 upon 4 sine a and minus 1 upon 4 into sine of 3a. Now I am going to make use of this formula over here in simplifying my next question. So my fourth question is I is equal to integral sine cube of something. Now I don't have a direct formula for integrating sine cube. So I apply the formula which I have discussed it over here. I'll write it as integral, and this sine cube, it is sine cube of a. I'll consider my bracket 2x plus 1 as a. So this I can write it as 3 upon 4 into sine of a. My a is 2x plus 1. Then minus 1 upon 4 as per this format into sine of 3a. Yani ki I should multiply 3 to my a term. So this is my a term, the bracket here 2x plus 1. I multiply 3 inside. So that becomes 3 2s are, so it becomes 6x plus 3 into 1 will be 3, and that is it, and then dx. Now I separate my integral sign for both. So I have 3 upon 4 integral sine of 2x plus 1 into dx minus 1 upon 4 integral sine of 6x plus 3 into dx. Now 3 upon 4 was a constant. Integration of sine is minus cos. So I have minus cos of 2x plus 1. Integration of sine is minus cos and 2x plus 1 as it is. Now if I differentiate 2x plus 1 again, तो डिफरेंशिएशन का आंसर 2 इज अ कांस्टेंट, x का डिफरेंशिएशन इज 1 एंड 1 इज अ कांस्टेंट, तो डिफरेंशिएशन इज 0. तो 2x प्लस 1 पूरे ब्रैकेट को अगर हम डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, द आंसर विल कम 2, एंड इन इंटीग्रेशन वी राइट दैट आंसर ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो ओवर हियर अपॉन 2, then minus 1 upon 4 is a constant. Now integral sine, so again it is going to be minus cos. Integration of sine x is minus cos x. So sine ka integration will be minus cos, and in the bracket it is 6x and plus 3, and the whole upon, ये जो ब्रैकेट है उसको डिफरेंशिएट करो, तो 6x प्लस 3 का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 6, एंड लास्ट में प्लस c द कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. Now let us reframe our answer, that is minus, in the beginning we'll write 3 upon 4 2s are 8 है, तो minus 3 upon 8 into cos of 2x plus 1, then minus 1 upon 4 into 6 is going to be 24, and this minus comes out with this minus and it becomes here plus. So now this term will become plus 1 upon 24 into cos of 6x plus 3, and last में plus c. If you wish, you can also write this 1 upon 24, it is a positive term, so we can write it in the beginning 1 upon 24 cos of 6x plus 3 minus 3 upon 8 into cos of 2x plus 1 and plus the constant of integration. Now let's go to the next question. Now my next question is again going to make use of the same concept which I used it right now. So I had used that concept. Sine of 3a is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Now this minus 4 sine cube a, from the right side I transfer it to the left side over here. So it will become plus 4 sine cube a, and this plus 3 sine a is here only. This sine 3a from left side it comes over here, so it becomes minus sine 3a. फुल इक्वेशन को 4 से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, तो दिस 4 कैंसल्स हियर अपॉन 4 एंड अपॉन 4 यू विल हैव. So this is the formula which I am going to make use in my question over here. So now my question is, that is question 5, integral sine cube of x into cos cube of x and dx. Now I can do one thing. I divide by 8 and I multiply by 8. In my question only, I divide by 8 and I multiply by 8. This division 8 I keep it out, and multiplied 8, I have 8 sine cube into cos cube, which I can also write it as 2 sine x cos x the whole cube. The cube I have taken common. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So that multiplied 8 I wrote it as 2 cube, and sine cube and cos cube I wrote 2 sine x cos x, and the whole cube I wrote. So this formula inside 2 sine x cos x is a formula of sine 2x. So sine 2x and the whole cube. So that I can write it as sine cube of 2x. Now comes the turn. I am going to apply the formula. This formula here, sine cube of a. So for me, what is a? For me, this is my a. My a is 2x. So according to the formula which I discussed here, 3 upon 4 sine of a. A means 2x minus I have 1 upon 4 into sine of 3 times a. So 3 times 2x, that is sine of 6x and dx. So now let me separate the integral sign for both of them. So 3 upon 4 I remove out common. 3 upon 8 4 it is 32 integral sine of 2x dx minus this 1 upon 8 was for both the terms over here in the bracket. So 1 upon 8 should be multiplied to 1 upon 4 also. So 1 upon 32 integral sine of 6x and dx. So that is 3 upon 32 sine. Integration of sine is minus cos. Integration of sine is minus cos. So minus cos of 2x and upon 2x को दोबारा differentiate करेंगे तो answer will be 2. That I have to write it in the denominator. Then minus 1 upon 32, as it is a constant. Sine का differentiation will be minus cos. तो minus cos of 6x, and 6x का differentiation दोबारा करेंगे तो it will be 6. So it will come in the denominator over here, and therefore now I will have my answer as minus 3 cos of 2x and 32 into 2, so that I can write it as 64. Then minus into this minus will become plus, and that is going to be 1 upon 6 2s are 12, carried 1, 6 3s are 18 and 19, 192 and cos of 6x. If you wish, you can write your positive term in the beginning, that is 1 upon 192 cos of 6x minus 3 upon 64, 3 upon 64 into cos of 2x. Okay, so here we end with it. We'll meet in the next session for the next solving.